YouTubers, here we go again. We have another special Amazon unboxing to do. You guys can check them out. My affiliate link will be down below. Click on that, see what other goodies they have to offer besides this item. And if you like this item, add it to your cart now and check out. We got a big old box today. Hopefully you guys had a good day. Everybody is safe. Let's see what this is. Oh boy, we got another box. Not sure what this is. It's coming from good friends over at TedFlop. So definitely check them out. They got a lot of cool stuff coming up. They got Prime Day deals going on now. Memorial Day sales and Father's Day gift ideas. So, like I said, click that link down below. Check it out. Be right back. Ooh, baby. These are the nice dual air fryers. You can get your french fries, chicken wings in that one, and something else in that one. It does come with these bottom grills. The grease traps, I guess. Definitely air fryers are the best thing ever invented. Well, maybe second best. There's other couple things, but definitely for the kitchen, small appliance, home appliance, these things are amazing. Cuts time and everything else. I'm not sure which way does these go. Knowing is half the battle, guys. Oh. No. Yep. Bada boom, bada bing. It is a beautiful thing. So good old TedFlop. Check them out, guys. And they'll definitely some really nice stuff. We'll turn it on. I have nothing to air fry right now. I just ate, so maybe next video or two in a week or so I'll have a full test run with this thing. Maybe a couple days. Maybe tomorrow, maybe later. There we go. Bada boom. Bada bing. Now we close this thing. And now we plug it in. I think I got a cord and it's long enough. Oh boy. Oh yeah, nice digital. Holy smokes. Hello. I don't know if you can see it with all the glare. Adjust the brightness. You can have dual cooked pizza, steak, salmon, fish, you name it. This does it all. You can shake. I don't know what that is. Maybe shake it like a salt shaker. You can sink. Okay, you sink. Yeah, this is a nice one. It'll take me a few minutes to figure out. Switch times. See, it says 390, 400. It's running. It is super quiet. Really quiet. I don't know if you guys can hear it, but definitely a nice one, guys. Dual. Shut it off for now. There you go. Oh, there's a light down there. Whoa. Number 2. I don't know if you guys could see it. But see the light? There's the light there. Excellent. Alright, check them out, guys. TedFlop on Amazon. Prime Day sales, Father's Day sales, Memorial Day sales going on now. Take it easy.